Hello students. In today's video, we will understand that how we can find standard deviation and variance in MATLAB for any given data, right? So I am creating a data here, right? That is 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500, right? Now, if I will run this, so this particular data will be available. I want to create the command for standard deviation. So standard deviation. This is the variable name which I am giving, and std is the command for what? For this particular data. If I will run this, you can see standard deviation is now available. Now, if I want to get the variance, I want to get the variance, so I will create this variance variable name here, and that is equal to var of what? Of this data, right? And let me clear it. So now if I will run it, you can see data is there, right? Standard deviation is there and variance is also provided. So what is the actual command of finding standard deviation in MATLAB? That is std. And what is the actual command of finding variance in MATLAB? That is var. Thank you so much for watching this video.